without a princess to sing it with. And I have just the right princess. Let us all give her a warm welcome. Shell.
Shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride. Wondrous place for you and me.
Friends, Shell, thank you. Thank you very much for being my Jasmine from Aladdin tonight.
And thank you for the Magic Carpet musical ride. It really is an honor to sing with you and celebrate your 20th year.
Salamat din. And don't worry, aabot ka din dyan.
Hopefully.
Yes. Of course, with your support. Susuportahan natin si Shell, right? Yes, yes.
Thank you. Hopefully, when that happens, I will have enough life experiences to tackle the songs you are going to do now. So friends, Jed Madala, here and now, in character on Broadway.